Eating fast. Mr. Bean eats chicken too fast. Smoking. She smokes one pack a day. Farting. The baby has just farted. He is so cute. Telling lie. Telling lie is a bad habit. Oversleeping. You should sleep on time and wake up on time. Don't oversleep. Eating junk food. You should not eat junk food. Using phone a lot. Using phone a lot damages your eyes. Bullying. Don't bully someone. It is bad habit. Littering. You litter when you throw the trash on the street. Picking your nose and eating. Picking your nose is bad habit. Avoid it. Gossip. The ladies are gossiping. They are saying bad things about another lady. To speak with your mouth full. He is speaking with his mouth full of food. Fidgeting. She never stops moving. She is always fidgeting. Daydreaming. She is daydreaming about her vacation. Grind your teeth. The man grinds his teeth when he is nervous. Procrastination. He procrastinates all week and goes crazy on Sunday. Being chatterbox. A chatterbox is a person that cannot stop talking. Crack your knuckles. Crack your knuckles will increase the size of your joints. Biting your nails. She cannot stop biting her nails. Spitting. The guy is spitting his milk. Tapping your fingers. She taps her fingers when she is nervous. Tapping your feet. He can't stop tapping his foot when he is anxious. Forgetting. He always forgets his mother's birthday. Chewing with your mouth full open. The man is chewing his food with his mouth open. Chewing on your pencil. He chews on his pencil while he listens to his teacher. Snoring. He snores every night. Picking your nose. The guy is picking his nose in public, so disgusting. Drooling. Drooling is my favorite Arabic word.